So oftentimes what I need to do is take a string like this, which is a JSON or JavaScript object notation payload, and parse it so that I can more easily consume aspects of the payload itself. And historically what I've done to do this is just Google for JSON Linting and choose whatever the first result is, and then paste this in, and voila, it gets parsed and output to the screen. But sometimes I need to do that with data that's maybe a little bit more sensitive, and I don't like the idea of using a site that I don't understand. So what I wanted to do for peace of mind was create a really simple JSON linting tool that has is one open source, right? I'm hosting it on GitHub pages with a full GitHub source being available. It's completely client-side. It doesn't get posted to a server. It's network free, meaning I'm not loading anything over the network on this page, and therefore it's secure and served over SSL, of course. So to take a quick look, let's grab this payload and let's jump into my JSON linter. And all I have to do here, so let me just close this, is paste it in, parse the JSON, and you can see here that the JSON payload has been parsed and then pre-printed to the screen. So now I can actually look at this in a sort of human-friendly way and see what the composition here is. And you can see output. I'm just logging the fact that this was done. Again, actually, if I scroll this down a little bit, you can see this is just on GitHub.io. And in fact, the full source code there is quite easily accessible. In fact, let's just take a quick look at what the source code is. And what you'll see as I scroll down, the style sheets are inlined, and then if we get past the input here, all of the JavaScript is inline. So there's actually no network activity whatsoever coming out of this page. Probably more restricted than it actually needed to be, but I enjoyed the totality of the isolation. Ultimately, the handling of the form is really just a glorified call to JSON.parse, and then if the value can be parsed, I turn around and essentially just call a JSON stringify with a tab indentation, which is what gives it this sort of pretty print. So there's really almost nothing going on here, but the almost nothing is what gives this peace of mind that I know that there is, of course, no network activity here. You can see, right, other than the root of the page, right, as I submit this, there's nothing. So anyway, just peace of mind, and just sharing this in case anyone else would like to take use of it.